So far in C language, whatever program we have written executed line by line. Means inside the main method, if we have written some line of statements, they all got executed one after another. And we can get the appropriate output. But in this video, we will start discussing about the flow control. Means if out of all the statements which we have written in our program, if I want to execute few statements on a particular condition, or if I want to execute few statements continuously. So for all such requirements, here we have some flow controls which can be classified into two parts. One is branching and another one is loop statements. If I will talk about the branching, you can also call it the conditional statement, which will help us to make a condition for the execution of some specific set of statements. So like here we have the if statement. If statement is basically a statement inside which you will use the if keyword and then after you will pass a condition. We have already given a look to the comparison operator or relational operators which used to return us a boolean value. Not exactly boolean, but yes, 1 for true and 0 for false. So you can just pass a condition like that, and if the given condition is true, the particular statement will be executed. Similarly, if we have multiple values to compare and I want to make an execution if a particular value is true, then we can go for the switch statement. Similarly, we do have one ternary operator. Basically, it's not a statement, but it is an operator. So we have already seen a number of operators. Here we will also discuss about the ternary one, which will give you the if-else like situation. Once you are done with that, we will begin with the loop statements. We also call them iterational statements. So if we want to execute few statements in our program to execute continuously, or I should say iteratively, I will go for these loop statements. And here we have while loop, for loop and do while loop. So in this video we will just see the concepts, but from the next video onwards we will start with one by one of all the topics, and then we will also see the practical implementation.